Need a little joy in your day? Let's make something tiny, yellow, and full of sunshine together. Hey, it's me, Jenny. We are sculpting Chirpy today. Chirpy is the baby chicken I created. She is a silly and cheerful baby, and today she's turning into a keycap. Chirpy is the kind of character who will help brighten up your day. Whether she is sitting on your keyboard or just hanging out while you type, she is here to bring a little smile. Right now, I only have her as a keycap, but I've got plans to turn her into so much more, like pins and keychains. So you can have her on your bags, your clothes, your keys, and have her by your side all day long. Thanks for sculpting with me today. See you again soon.